Okay, y'all, I'm back and I'm looking a mess, but y'all know by the end of this video, I'm gonna be very cute. So she have already braided my hair to the back, and she's going to be putting got to be glue all around my edges, and she's going to be drying it, making sure that it's dry, make sure that my edges are laid down and protected for this new style I'm about to get. But yeah, so she's just gonna do that all around my head, make sure my edges are pulled back, and make sure that they are laying flat and they are dry. Okay, y'all, so here she is about to put on the stocking cap, wig cap, or whatever, and she is going to be cutting my ears out of it, and then she is going to be spraying the got to be glue around my edges. As you can see, after she finished spraying the got to be glue around my edges, she's going to be blow drying it and make sure that it get really dry. Y'all see me covering my face. That blow dryer was like a fire breather. Like, that thing was super hot. Like, it was on super high and super hot. So here she's basically just going back over the spots that she feel like didn't, stick down good enough. So she's just going back over it, spraying it again, and drying it. So now she's just going to take the foundation that matches my skin color, my foundation, and she's just going to spread that mainly around the front area, the front part of my hair where the frontal is going to lay and show. Now she's just going to go back and use the dryer to make sure that everything is dry. The next step is basically just going around the cap and cutting off all of the excess cap that is not glued down around the front, the back, and the ears. Now she's taking more of the got to be glue gel and placing it on the little parts that she couldn't cut off. She's just laying that little part down. Now she's just going to take the blow dryer and make sure that those little parts stay stuck down so that this wig cap can look like my scalp, period. Right now she is putting the makeup on my frontal so it can blend with my skin. Last but not least, you're just going to measure the frontal and cut off all the excess parts that you don't need around the ears.